Are you entertaining the troops? Yeah, she just
We're
heard,
working
so
it.
that was
We're
good.
working it out here.
Do it again, Bri. Go one more time.
She's gonna make the noise.
Just to make her little noises, to make it worthwhile.
Yeah, I just can't wait till she jacks all
Maybe I should move.
They love to do that.
Oh yeah.
He says, what did you
It's like when you hold them like a football under one arm and they're like start to squawk, you just go while you're walking because you're going to do something.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Yeah, that's a good